Set up ko lang yung random.
Okay, guys. Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. We're doing break of the Wheels of Vengeance here in Singapore. From Singapore, Larry is here, and also our friends from Heroclix, Singapore. Okay. Our setup is archaic, but it's okay. So we have here our break. Yung microphone.
Off niyo yung microphone ni Larry, nag-echo eh.
Enough ko na lang yung sa akin.
Sige. Oh, wait lang, give me a second.
Tapos 1 to 5, yung likod, left to right. 6 to 10, yung harap, left to right. And then at the end of the break, legacy items, legacy card. Marcos will help us sa random kita.
Sige, mag-share screen na ako ah. Share screen. Ay ano, pa-enable lang screen sharing. Pa-enable lang screen sharing.
Oh. Teka lang, enable. Ako hindi ko ma-enable on my end. I-ano mo na lang, Marcos. So big, make kita co-host.
Sige. Gawin mo ang co-host. Yan. Okay, sige. Give me a second. Ito na.
Sige. Marcos will do the randomization.
Okay. Loading. Kita nyo?
Kita.
Nyo? Okay, sige. Two virtual dice. Roll dice.
Clear na. Ayun na.
4 times. 4 times. Ito yung list natin. Jasper, just the list. First break. Okay. 4 times random. First random. 1.
One free booster. Okay.
2.
Is it sharp?
3. Last random. 4. Okay.
Hello everyone. This is Edison. Edison, show your face. Hello.
So yan na ang ating random. Lagay ko sa chat.
Diretso na tayo.
Ano?
Stop your share.
Doc, kasi hindi siya clear.
Parang hindi clear.
Yeah, hindi mo makita yung screenshot kasi. Yan, tama yan. Okay, got it.
Nilagay ko na dyan. Okay?
Okay na yun.
Stop share na ako. Good luck, guys.
Okay.
Do I get 1, 2? This is the... Okay, Marcos, what's happening?
Hello?
Okay na?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sa chat,
Booster
it's in
number
the
1,
chat.
sino?
Sino yan?
Robert.
Robert, kanina yan.
Robert, first booster yan, ano?
Robert, booster number 1.
Okay, good luck, Robert.
Chase. Oh, Black Heart.
Pag-orange ba?
Common yan.
Vampire and Ghost Rider.
Nice,
Pag-orange
Black
ba?
Heart.
SR yan?
Robert.
Ba't walang heart?
Okay. That's for Robert.
SR ba yan?
Uncommon. Next, number 2. Marcus.
Larry.
Larry, this is for you.
Record ko. Wait, record ko.
Paano ko pa sa recording?
So pag orange, hindi pala talaga siya SR agad?
Hindi, not necessarily.
Pag glow, ano yan? May mga uncommon.
Okay, Larry.
Okay.
Number 2 kay Larry. The champion. Oh, Chase!
Sino yan?
Near.
Chase horse.
Near.
Okay.
Oh my God, finally.
Grabe, congrats.
Next to si Heinz.
Number 3.
Next to Heinz. Next to.
Dalawa, Heinz. Okay. Heinz. Okay.
Black, it's
Sana
black.
para
Black horse, not black lantern.
Heinz,
Oy,
Oy.
Zarathos. Maganda yan.
Zarathos,
Motorbike.
Vehicle, Night
SR?
Nurse, and Elsa Bloodstone.
Zarathos, rare yan.
rare.
Plus
Sorry, wala
motorbike.
akong alam dito eh.
Best uncommons.
Sorry guys, nagmamadali kasi may meeting si Larry. Okay,
go.
this
Heinz yan.
is Heinz ulit, Heinz. Uy! Iron Fist, Electra,
May SR
Ghost
dyan?
Rider, and Mami. Para wala SR.
Wala?
No SR
Wala pang
pa. Alam ko
SR.
parang wala pang
SR pa
SR.
to? Wala pang SR.
Wala pang SR.
Okay.
Next is
Number
Joseph.
five.
No, fifth booster.
Five.
Sino next?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Raymundo, no?
Number 5, Joseph.
Yes, number 5, Joseph.
Joseph. Ooh. Oh.
Oy,
Demon,
motorbike ulit.
Werewolf, and
Nice.
Vehicle.
Wala pa rin SR?
Motorcycle.
Wala pa, no SR
This is
pa. No
this is
Grabe.
Manwolf. This Manwolf. Joseph. Okay, sorry. Number 6.
May prime wala.
6 is Chito.
Wala pang prime. Number 6.
Chito yan,
Chito.
Chito.
Chito. Wow. We're doing it fast. SR. Lilith.
SR, Lilith. Nice. Tapos motorbike ulit. Oh. Tatlong
Big
motorbike.
motorcycle. Dito, Daniel, Robert Reyes, Robbie Reyes, and Yeti.
Next,
Sino yung SR dyan?
Larry won.
Lilith.
Today, the man of the day. Who's numbers
Pete
7?
yan. Pete.
Pete, this is yours.
Sige.
Gulo na
Ano maganda?
Very
Sito
chaotic.
ata.
Pete. Orb. Oy, Orb. Maganda yan. Orb. Forward the Duck. Ma'am. Encanto. And Fire
Fire
Demon.
Demon.
Maganda yung Orb.
Malakas yung
Tsaka,
orb. Malakas yung
picture
orb.
ng iconic Wolverine.
Okay.
Iconic Wolverine here. What's next?
Next is Nino. Si Onin.
Nino. Oh.
SR,
This is
rare
an
yan.
SR?
Rare. No, rare yan.
Rare. Ghost Rider. Daniel Ketch. Then Robbie Reyes, Werewolf, and Simon Guard.
Next is Jasper.
Oy, me. Another chase. Prime. Okay. Get back. We need to see King Kong. Oy. Oh.
Oh, Headless Horseman.
Rare.
SR.
Dito lang.
Mayroon pala yan.
Roy Pitt. Mordred, Blade, and Frenchie.
Ako na
Okay,
yan.
that's good, I think. Okay, last booster number 10. Prime.
Ako na yan.
Who's number 10?
Ako.
Marcos. Prime.
Oh,
Oh!
nice!
SR Ghost Rider.
Yan ang kailangan ko.
Oh, the best SR, I think.
Yan, tsaka Kathon. Best SRs.
Tapos, Howard the Duck, Werewolf, and Blackout.
Thank you.
Nobody cares for the rest except for Ghost Rider.
Ay, legacy card.
Raffle.
Legacy card, wait lang. Sige, i-pull nyo na lang. I-ano ko na, share screen ako ngayon.
I-ano ko na ha, bubuksan ko na ha.
Sige.
Para malaman natin kung sino. Okay.
Wait. Roll again, ha?
The legacy card is Morgan Le Fay.
Okay, 7
Morgan
dice. 7 times.
Okay, Morgan Le Fay.
So, 11 na to, ha? 11.
Thank you. Morgan Le Fay. Which queen pala?
Last random.
Break mo na. Pagdating mo sa akin.
Chito nanalo.
Tito! Sige, congratulations. Okay, guys, we're gonna end it. Sorry, I'm gonna take pictures of everything later. Thank you, guys. Ang bilis.
Nag-order ka na?